Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at TechTrader.com. It's Thursday, June the 8th. These are the charts of the day. And again, as we do every Thursday, a swing trade review of all the outstanding swings, long and short. There's about 25 left over the last 6 weeks. ALDX, as you can see, a beautiful rising channel and a 1, 2, 3, 4 wave advanced. Fifth wave started. It broke out. I think it's going to be a $13 to $14 stock near term. We'll see. AMAM, pop, falling wedge, pop, coil, breakout, flag, and then a little dip and a snapback. What I need is to get this to 15 and a quarter. And then we're looking at 18 and 21. APYX broke out, flagged and popped. We put a swing on it right there and it went to target number 1 and backed off, holding the gap yesterday and this morning with an inside day. Let's see if it recovers. It needs to get back over 24. Then your targets at 25.6 and 28.9. APYX broke out with a breakaway spike and a rising channel is underway. And it has been for 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks now. Next target, 7 3/4 and 9. AZPN on the short side. This bear coil still exists. When I see that kind of a pattern in a coil, I usually go short. The targets are 150.51 and 135.38. Carvana, big day today. We traded it beautifully as it ran from 15 to 26. 24.11 after hours, up 8.58, a 55% gain. 183 million traded. As you can see, the stock, which is a swing when it broke out there, consolidated, broke out, flagged, and continues. Right now, my targets are 33.4 and high 30s. GSIT, popped wedge, we put a swing on it, it broke out, flagged, now it looks like it has more to go. If it gets above the 850 target, you might see 11. HEAR, triple bottom base, breakout wedge, popped out yesterday, we put a swing, but I said it didn't close well. As a result, it backed up again today to test support. I do not want this below 1060 ideally, but your stop is under 10. For initial target 12 and a quarter, and then 13 and a half and 15. Imgn, ImmunoGen with a basic explosive movement of flag, we put a swing on it. It's moved from 13 to 16. Today up another $1.23 or 8%, looking like 18, 19, 20 zone may be doable. IMVT, one of my top picks for the year. You can see how strong it is. Broke out early May, flagged, exploded. Now it's pulled back again in a 1, 2, 3, 4th wave pullback. Retesting 24 and then moving to the high 20s, 28 or thereabout my targets. INOD, nice rising channel, popped and broke out. We put a swing, it kept going. Tag target number 1 near 11. At this point, it's near multi-year highs and an all-time high. And so if he gets through here, 16 is your target. JOBY, inverse head and shoulder breakout. We put a swing on it around 5 and subsequently ran to near 7, 6 3/4 and pulled back. My targets are 7 1/4 and 8 1/2. KOPN, popped through 2, breaking out of a long base. Ran up to 250 and pulled back. Today, popped back again after holding the accelerated trend line. Looking for a 5th wave up that takes it to 3, 3 1/2, and 4. LI in the electric vehicle, a Chinese electric vehicle group. Look how strong this has been for the last, since November when it was 13. It's gone up 150% and still trending up another small fraction today, but I'm looking for 36.7. LWLG broke out, long-term declining top line through lateral resistance as well. Immediate target was 9 3/4 and then 12. Micron, beautiful base, breakout, retest, and spike up to the first target, and then a steep pullback has taken it back to the trend line, moving average of lateral price support. It needs to hold today's low at 64. The close, 64.93. Let's see if that can come back. Target 70, 74, and 80. NERV, broke out of the base, wedged, started to pop. We put a swing on it. It ran up nicely for a few days. Look at the last 3 4 weeks. It's been consolidating a beautiful coil, low volume ebb. And he break out here, especially through the first target at 8, 8 1/2, gets me to 12, 13. NTNX, breakaway pop, pullback. I like this look. If it consolidates without breaking out underneath support, we're right now about 28. If that happens, the next target is 33.34. NVIDIA exploded, put a swing on it. It subsequently has moved from about 395.4 to 420 and backed off. Look at the tight pennant that this is forming. Barring a big drop in the market, this stock is headed for 475, in my opinion. PATH, nice base, triple top breakout, but a pullback yesterday. Today, consolidating in this zone, my target 22.5. Plug, popped out, put a new swing on it. It did back off today a little bit, but I'm looking for a move that takes out 10.25 to get it to run towards 12 and 14. PPSI, strong surge, beautiful coil and breakout. We have a swing on this one. Let me get through 7. I'm looking for 9. SANA pop flag. We put a swing on it. It ran up nicely and then backed off. Today, a nice recovery, about 8%. I need to get it through today's high at 680.85, and then I'm looking at 8 and 9. And SSYS in play as 2 companies make offers on them. I think the stock moves higher and eventually gets taken out in the 19 to 21 zone. And finally, UIS forming like an inverse head and shoulders with a rising angle of ascent. There is the neckline. This might be your shoulder line. In any case, what I need is a move over 462. Many targets are near 6 and near 8. Let's look at some of the swing trades that we're still working on at detectrader.com. Many of them look great. That's all for tonight, everybody. Good night.